to break down my trade from last week of the Australian dollars and the yen. I made this profit and I withdraw it. Here's my position, so let's get into it. On the daily time frame, I identify the key level over here because there are two highs at the moment. At that time we have two highs, so from the current price you can see that the price is reacting into the zone. Okay, so I'm looking for a short position over here because there are many traders who stuck in the past. So but before the drop you need some confirmation because the market maker may stop on you guys. So that's why you can see the two shadow wick of the daily candle. Let's go to a lower time frame. So on H4 we can see there's an uptrend over here, a clear uptrend. So if we want to if I want to short, I need to find some pattern. So I go out into the H1 time frame. In here I identify the following. So the main uptrend is the uptrend. The trend is bullish. So I identify the price. So you can see the price from here. It has an break above the previous high. So if I want to short, I am looking for the price must break its previous low. So I identify the zone over here. Okay, so I patiently wait. I see that the price has broke the zone, but it hasn't been confirmation of bearish yet because I want to make sure the new low will be broken to confirm the bearish trend. So I enter the price over here. When the price break over here, this is the confirmation. And this is my position. So as you can see, H1 I enter quite early because I am confident from my experience. About how did I choose the place to take profit? I must say that to take profit because I will share with you. So we need to find the place where because we are selling, so we need to find the support of the movement, because there will be many traders who stuck at that zone to react. So we need to close this before it reaching the zone. So you can see in the movement right here, there are many wick from the candle. It's like it is reacting for the bullish trend, for the bullish uptrend over here. Because the bullish uptrend has confirmed, we can make a support over here. There's a huge zone over here, so that's why I identify the zone. when the wick reacting to the zone, and that is where I close my position around there. Happy trading.